Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today we're going to look at Omi on the weekly chart. Before we get started, I just want to say the Telegram group is up. Really excited to see a lot of people put my education, the principles of what I do as a trader, and how you guys use it in real life situations. And today on the chart, you can kind of see everything's already labeled, and this is what I provide in my Telegram group. And I want to show you guys this is absolutely free. I've been giving this offer to the ones that have emailed me, and this is an exclusive offer. I might do this offer again and get more people enlisted as well. Let's try to push out. Let's see what the markets have to do. And I'm excited to show you guys what the future has to hold here. So right here on the weekly chart, I'm looking at a lot of things. Okay. The first thing is, where's my POC? POC is my point of control in the volume, the projection of where price is going to go. Price broke out towards the upside. So right here, guys, price broke out. And once it broke out, it's not going to act as resistance anymore. It's going to be support. So what we're seeing now is price come back down, and we're trying to see that push towards the upside. And right here, you can also see we do have a liquidity grab. Wherever way you want to draw, you can draw it sideways, you can draw horizontal, whatever way, as long as you see a liquidity grab even on a trend line or a horizontal plane. So this is what you call a liquidity grab. We see that price has been grabbed on these low levels. We do also have a Fibonacci retracement here, guys. So let me go through this with you. I put the Fibonacci retracement. We're already in the pocket of the golden zone of 50 and the 61.8. So there's two methods before entering a trade, and these are the two methods that I do teach in my personal course. The two methods are going to be absorption and exhaustion. You need to see one of the other, okay? Exhaustion is another way to say that the sellers are done selling and they're tired of selling. So then the prices will reverse. If you're looking for absorption, it's a high demand of sellers, but guess what? It's like a sponge. Each time they're pushing lower, the price is failing to go lower. That is telling us there's a key level or a secret buyer that is willing to say, you know what, this is a great level. I don't want you to push below us. And this is where we're going to start pushing the price higher and bring it towards the point of control. Why is the POC important? And I want to show you guys and tell you guys why this is important. Look at the majority of transactions. It has been done right here, guys, at the POC. So where is price more comfortable to go? It is going to go towards the point of control, because why? That is where majority of the transaction has been done. If you want to sell your fishes and you're going to a car show, that doesn't make sense. You have to bring your fish to a fish market. So what we're trying to do is bring our price to the right market to sell it or buy it at a better discounted price. That's what a lot of people are going towards when they look at the markets itself. When we have a spike, that is the majority of the people that are looking at transactions, and we want to go towards transaction. This level right here is my LV, low volume. The POC is my point of control. We're seeing a 20% gain right here. I am going to be putting a message later in my Telegram group today on what we're looking at right here, but we're really seeing more of an exhaustion than absorption, because exhaustion is seeing us low volume and everything like that happening in the markets. Of course, I want to break it down and go to a lower time frame. I want to draw the bigger picture at a bigger time frame to understand the perspective of price, then go to a lower time frame and execute my trades towards the upside. And if you guys are using this in an educational base and prices do break 0.000505-ish, right? If it does break below there and the prices do close, this is one of the most dangerous things that can happen to Ecomi. I do believe once it does break, guess what? We're rallying back down and we're going to see a double bottom. And that's a great trade if you're looking to trade it. If you are an investor and trying to hold it, that is a really bad sign. The price is going to continue a little bit lower. So if you are waiting and hoping that price will go a little bit higher, we need to make sure this level that I've drawn in has to hold. And we need to see a lot of sellers really aggressively trying to push the price. And in order for them to push the price, we need to have a buyer. We need to have the buyer to be stronger and taking those reactions, those punches towards the market and absorbing it like a sponge and rocketing it back all the way towards the POC. Now, once we hit the POC, most of the time, guys, we do see a rejection. But if we do have great validation and great news and we break above the POC and we also break above the low volume that's hidden on top of the POC, and that alone right there is a great sign that we're going to start to push towards the all-time highs, a great way to end up Ecomi in a great long-term move towards the upside, guys. So there's a lot of things happening in the price, and I'm excited to show you guys this. Also, if you are looking at the VWAP in the yearly plan or the VWAP in the yearly, this is what it's showing you. The VWAP is telling me the higher price or the fair price is around 0.00073004. Okay, that's why I do believe if we do break above there, we are going to see a little bounce towards the VWAP. And keep this valid note right here: the farther we are from the VWAP, the more we're attracted towards going towards it. Okay, but overall, you could have the sessions, you could have the daily, you could have the weekly, whatever, quarterly, whatever time frame you want. This is the yearly, and I want to show you guys that price is balancing off. And if we do break that level, we're going to see a storm, and hopefully we don't, but we are going to work off of analysis to project that price can go higher if you see more absorption and they're going to be a trade towards upside. Remember, this is a broad picture. I want to give you guys the formula for you guys to inject it wherever you want to in your trading and make it better. That's all it is. Okay, make your trading better, have fun with it. Trading is like art. It's your own creative way of looking at the markets. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting this channel and following me in this journey. Other than that, take it easy and John out. Peace.